to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to adjust icon size on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen and lock screen. After click on home screen and lock screen, click on home screen and click on icon size. If you want to adjust icon size, so if you want to increase icon size, so increase from here. If you want to decrease icon size, so decrease from here. You will increase or decrease icon size from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.